We are the only manufacturer of drill rods within the UK, and that is something that we are proud of, but our clients and that should be made aware of and be proud of as well. And that's why we think being part of Made of Britain is excellent. You know, it's a very recognisable brand and good for us.
I'm Matt Stadlen, and this is Made in Britain Unpacked, the series where we tell the stories of British manufacturers. And I am thrilled to say that here with me in Glasgow today is Iain Bell, who is the General Manager of John Lawrie Tubulars, and they make drill rods. And you make these drill rods, not here in Glasgow, but further north in Montrose, which is sort of in between Dundee and Aberdeen.
Yeah, that's right, that's what we do.
Drill rods, just to be clear, they're big and heavy, right?
Yeah.
These are the ends of them. These are heavy enough.
Yes.
And when you put them together, when they become a drill rod, they are used for what?
So they're used for lots of applications within the construction industry. The drill rods can be used for ground investigation work. They can be used in mining for blasting. They are used throughout a lot of applications actually within the UK. So yeah, that's what we manufacture. We've got a 15-acre site up in Montrose, which we hold about 25,000 tonnes of steel tubulars. The majority of it is repurposed material from the oil and gas industry. But what we do have in Montrose that separates us from other steel stockholders within the UK is that we've got our custom-built CNC fabrication workshop. We have 7 CNC lathes up there, which we manufacture these things, tool joints. We thread the repurposed material as well for casings, but these tool joints are then friction welded at our facility in Montrose onto the repurposed steel, where they're then heat treated. And yeah, we're the only company in the UK that's manufacturing these. We're extremely proud of it.
These things here,
Yeah.
does this fit in here?
Yeah, you can screw that together just now. So the drill rods will come in whatever length that anybody requires, so 1.5 metres, 1 metre up to 6 metres long. And so it depends on the rig that they're using. By
repurposing steel from the oil industry, by reusing those tubes, that's a sustainable thing, isn't it? Yes,
that is a sustainable thing. And we always knew that it was sustainable. We had no way of really clarifying it was sustainable. So what we've done is that we've had an LCA commissioned, which is a life cycle analysis. And this life cycle analysis proves what the carbon saving is of our repurposed tubes compared to new. And that saving's 98.2%. So the savings are huge. It works back to about every 1 tonne of our repurposed steel tubes that we use, we're saving over 2.1 tonnes of carbon.
And you've got, what, 30 odd people working for you in Britain. You've also got people in America.
Yeah, we've got a USA side of the business, but here in the UK, we've got, I think it's about 34 people working in our facility.
And does that mean that you feel really part of the local community?
Oh, 100%. We do a lot of sponsorship within the local community where we sponsor Montrose football top shirts, we, donate to the rugby club, we do the meals at Christmas time for the less fortunate. We have a Make-A-Wish Foundation thing and everything going. But what I'm actually really proud of is actually how many people we employ within Angus, within our county.
And are you proud of the Britishness of the manufacturing, that element of it? And
100%.
I can see here, of course, you've got your Made in Britain badge. Is it helpful to be part of Made in Britain as well?
100%. I think certainly for drill rods, piling products in the UK, a lot of the drill rods that come in just now are not made in the UK. Like I say, we are the only manufacturer of drill rods within the UK, and that is something that we should be we are proud of, but our clients and that should be made aware of and be proud of as well. And that's why we think being part of Made of Britain is excellent. It's a very recognisable brand and good for us.
As a manufacturer, do you get up in the morning and think, yeah, I want to be doing this? And how important is that element?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm a bit sad in this way, but I do. I get up in the morning and I'm excited to go to work. I feel like that as a company we punch above our weight. I think that we get some really big contracts. We deal a lot with some big tier 1 contractors. I feel like that we are on the forefront of the circular economy. We're on the forefront of our carbon savings. Yeah, I'm just really glad to be part of it and just kind of go for it.
It's really infectious, the enthusiasm. It's good to see. It's good to see the smile on your face, and it's fantastic to hear your story. So thank you for telling us it.
Absolutely no problem. Thank you for having me.